So a look at question 2. We've got some sums. So let's say sum 1 is 2 over 1 minus 1 over 2 is 3 over 2, which is 3 over 1 times 2. So 2, 3 over 2 minus 2 over 3 is 5 over 6, which is 5 over 2 times 3. So writing these out in a similar form, as part 1, S3. Now if we have a look, the denominator is these two multiplied, and the numerator is those two added. So we can say 3 is going to be 4 minus 3 over 3, 4. So add them is 7 twelfths, which is 7 over 3 times 4. Same sort of thing, we got 5 over 4 minus 4 over 5. So we add them, 9 over the multiple product, so is 4 times 5 is 20. So 9 over 4 times 5. If we wanted just to be a little bit cautious, we might sort of check that. Let's take this one and do it in a sort of standard way. That's over 20. That's going to be 25 20ths minus 16ths, which is 9. So it kind of works out. Okay. Now the pattern. So 2, let's put it in n. See if we can do it. So what we've got is n plus 1 over n minus n over n plus 1. So if we get 4, n plus 1 is 5, and there's 4, that's 4, 5, 3, n plus 1 is 4, those two are 3. So that's the sort of basic pattern. And what we're saying is it is those two added. So 2n plus 1 over n plus 1. So what we can say then is the 100th one is 201 over 100 times 101, which is 10100. Now, let's have a look at, so that was B, not 2, that was A. So we have a look at C, part 1. We need a numerator of 1805. So the numerator is this, is 2n plus 1, is 1805. So that's hopefully a fairly straightforward calculation. 902. And the second one, same sort of thing. The denominator is n over n plus 1. Sorry, n times n plus 1, 1806. Now this is going to be a squared number, but let's see if we can get that. It's pretty close to a square root. So what I'm going to suggest is we sort of guesstimate. So if this is 400 times 401, you get 16040. So that's not going to be that at all, way off. So 40 times 41. 40 times 41 is 1604. Is that right? No. I'm losing my maths here. 41 times 40, let's do it that way. If you have a look, 4 times that is 16. Is that? So that's 41 times 40. And it's going to end in a 6, so let's try 42 times 43 is 6. Doing that because the 2 and the 3 get close. That's 12, 8, 16. So you've got 6, 0, carry 8, 1. Okay, so n equals 42, and we're done.